and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Happy holidays, everyone. And today I want to show you guys how to make, as promised, a pumpkin. I always have a hard time saying pumpkin cake, but it's going to be a gluten-free pumpkin cake for all those that have problems with your insides, or you cannot be digesting no flour or anything like that. We're going to be using almond flour, which it doesn't actually stick to you or anything like that. So if I can eat it, trust me, you guys can eat it. But just make sure that you can. But anyways, it's better than a flour. So we're gonna start. I bought a can of organic pumpkin. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 cup of organic pumpkin.
All right.
And you take a bowl, right? And you put it there, right, Mike?
That's right.
Okay, wait, I want to take every little bit, because every little bit counts. Okay, Michael, move. Okay, and then after we do that, we're going to take, is this a quarter? Does it say a quarter there? That's a little bit of pumpkin that I got in my spoon. But is that a quarter?
It's a teaspoon.
No, a quarter teaspoon.
Yeah, a quarter.
A quarter, okay. So we're going to put it, sorry guys, but I can't see it.
Neither can I.
Glasses, and I hate putting those glasses on, because those glasses make you look, you know what I'm saying? Weird. What's wrong with this? Sorry. Look what I did. Okay, so you're going to put 1 cup of pumpkin, okay, guys? A quarter teaspoon of salt.
That's right.
Okay? A quarter teaspoon of nutmeg.
That's right. Nutmeg.
Quarter teaspoon, you put it in there.
I love nutmeg.
Okay, so we're mixing all this stuff together, okay? We got it there, the pumpkin, the salt, and the nutmeg. Now, we're going to put half a teaspoon. Which one is half? Let's look for the half.
Right there.
That's half?
Yep.
All right. So we're going to put half a teaspoon of allspice, but I'm talking about all the sweet spices, because the allspice, what this has is, I think it's for baking, and it has everything in there.
I love allspice.
Mixed together. Yeah, this is for sweet, for cakes, pies, you know, and if you want to sweeten some meats and stuff like that, okay. So half a teaspoon of cake spice and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Huh?
Cinnamon.
So I kind of like put a little bit extra because I love cinnamon powder. Now, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Is one TBS?
Wait. Let me zoom in. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, the baking soda right there. And baking powder, actually. Not baking soda, baking powder.
That's right.
And 1 teaspoon of
What's that?
vanilla. Okay, that's vanilla flavor. So you gotta put some vanilla flavor in there.
Smells kind of
like Christmas, like mint,
Christmassy,
like rum,
yeah, I was gonna
like
say.
that minty, kind of like
Yeah.
cinnamon, exactly. Okay, so now that everything is there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 1.5 cup of almond flour. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Michael, you can back up. You're gonna be like that on top of me, man.
No.
You know what's wrong with you, man? Okay, so look, that's 1 cup of flour. So we're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna do another half a cup. So I have this half a cup here, because I wanna make sure that, you know, we do it like exactly like it is. So this is very easy, guys. If you wanna try it at home, just gather all the stuff that you need together, you know what I'm saying? And then put everything and follow the instructions, and you're gonna be great. Now that that is there, the last thing that we're gonna put here is our egg. Oh, and some sweetener. So I couldn't find what I was looking for, so I'm gonna put a little bit of a corn syrup. Okay, it says half a cup, Mike, of corn syrup, but I think we're gonna do a quarter. What do you think?
Yeah, because it's sweet.
Yeah, because it's very, very
guys.
sweet, and we don't want exactly. So that's just for sweetness. You can use agave. You can use any other stuff that you want.
You can use the diet stuff.
You know, you can use
Stevia.
molasses. You can, yeah, but it has to be kind of like gooey like this, the liquid kind.
Can you use maple syrup?
You know? And baby, what?
Maple syrup.
No, you don't want to do that, because it has like other ingredients. It's kind of so big. This is for a cake, so this is clear.
Okay.
So we put like a quarter cup of corn syrup. That's the light one. And now we got to put 5 eggs. So that's 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. Because, okay, if you, and ask me, I know you guys gonna ask me, why so many eggs? Because the eggs is what's gonna bind everything together. There you go, right? How's that? And then the flour is almond. So, you know, it's gonna be all natural. You're not eating flour per se, you know? This is from your nut, right?
That's right.
Exactly. So you're having cake or not cake, you know? And this is our pumpkin. We made it the other day, and I promise you guys, remember, Michael, and I said, oh, I'm going to show everybody how to make this. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put your oven on 350, which I already have it on 300. Michael, you can go over there and turn it on 350 for your mom, please. You see, and there's not a lot of mixing here, because what you're doing is you're just putting together your almond flour, your baking powder, your pumpkin, and the eggs, and then everything else is just like your corn syrup and vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and all the other like fruit things, so you can make it flavorful, right? So we're gonna put the oven. Did you put it on 300, Mike?
350.
No, it's 300.
Oh.
300.
Oh.
Or 350?
Yeah.
No, it's 300, Mike.
Oh, okay. I'll put it back
Yeah,
down.
it's on 300 for 1 hour. Because remember, this is no real flour.
Gotcha.
Exactly.
So you don't want to overcook
you
it.
guys, okay. So we're ready to pour that over there, guys. So what we're gonna do, is you take some butter and you grease a pan. You know, I mean, you grease the pan to bake other cakes. You gotta grease the pan to bake, because when you grease the pan, if it's something that you want to pull up, when you grease it, what it does is after it cools off, it pops right off, and you don't have to be like scavenging with a spoon trying to take it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, we already, you see, mix it together. I'm gonna put it right in this round pan. Oh Michael, I'm so like one a piece. Last week I ate
Almost all
like,
of it.
I
ate a couple
6
pieces
slices.
too, actually, myself.
It was delicious.
And I usually
And
don't
my
eat pumpkin
husband, he
products,
loved it. He
but
was
I
like,
loved
wow,
it.
babe. And I'm like, yeah, right. You
Look at
like
that.
that? He's like, oh, I love it. You know. But he's working just like we are. You know, this is a different type of work too, but this is work, trust me. This is all day. Have I left the kitchen today, Mike?
Nope.
You can ask Mike. I haven't even left the kitchen today. It's every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day I cook for my family, and I try to make videos for you guys, because this is my my thing. This is what I like to do, you know. I'm happy when I'm in the kitchen, you know, and it's important to be happy, because that's all that matters. So find and do what you like to do, what makes you happy inside. It doesn't matter what it is. If it makes you happy, then you go do your thing, and don't worry about anybody else has to say, because people always have stuff to say. So with that, come here, Michael, follow me. 300 for, this is the thing for the time?
Yep.
And we're gonna put that for 1 hour. How many minutes in there? I can't see.
That's 20.
Man, you're so close. I can't even see the numbers. Okay.
Almost there.
57, 58, 59. Okay, and start. 1 hour. No nuts or walnuts? Or you want it like that?
We can have it like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
But I like with the walnuts. You
Oh,
what
okay.
It was the walnuts that I put on?
That's right.
Yeah, I got them last week. You know what I'm saying? And we, you know, here they are.
Let me see.
And I think you saw them that we put it in the banana bread. We put some on the top like that.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is good. Yeah, it gives it like this crunchy thing, you know. And we're gonna be like, wow, this is good. This is gonna be really good, Mike. So okay, here we go. For like a minute, right? So here we go. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and we'll see you guys in an hour. Don't forget to subscribe, and you know what to do. Love you all. See you in a little bit. Okay, guys. So we're just gonna take this out, and we're gonna have to come right back. It's done. We're
Wow,
gonna let
that
it
smells
cool
so
up.
good.
It does. I'm gonna make like fresh coffee and have like 2-3 pieces.
All
I don't
right.
know. But we're gonna let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and in 15 minutes we'll be right back. We're gonna cut it. I'm gonna eat some with you guys, and we're gonna share this with you guys, and you guys are gonna love. And we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. We're back, so you can see I was having a hard time taking it out, won't come out, whatever. So it kind of like broke, but you can see that it came out very good. I took the slice out so I can eat it with you guys. Ginger, be quiet.
Well, let me take a
Why you
picture.
gotta do that? So Michael, take a picture of it, but it came out very good. I'm gonna we'll take another piece, Michael. You can take my picture. I just wanna eat mine because it's the only really sweet that I can actually eat, and I love it. But this is my pumpkin cake. It's very good. A lot of people like to put butter on it. I don't like it. I like to eat it like that. Maybe a little cup of coffee. Well, with that, I want to tell you guys thanks for watching and for following us. And the cake is fine. It's having a hard time taking it out, but as you can see, I would slice it like that across to take a slice out. But you can see the thickness of it, and it's really good. It's pumpkin and almond flour. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Look us up on Pinterest, on Google Plus, on Tumblr. And don't forget to press the notification button, the bell. So every time we make one of these, you guys can be notified, and immediately you guys can go and watch your video of the day. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. You know what to do. Try to make this cake for you and your family. It's very healthy. It's very good. I love it with a hot cocoa now in these days. There is very cold. Hot cocoa, some fresh, nice coffee, a cup of tea. Delicious. Very low in calories. A big loaf of it, it only has 90 calories. So, I mean, you can get away with eating like 2 big slices. So, love you all. Don't drink and drive. And, of course, not you guys seeing me. My delicious pumpkin cake. This is going to be gone before tonight. We got to cut a piece for that. Love you guys. Peace and all. And no drinking and driving, okay? Thanks for watching.